He said he'd let me drive it for 50 likes, so give me 50 likes on this video.
See no tears. This is only the beginning. Losing is my only fear. Take some time away from my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say a lot of clear. Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie of the year. I'm the rookie.
What's going on, everybody? It's Seth back with another video, and today I'm doing something you haven't seen on the channel. I'm messing with a BMW. It's not my BMW. It's my coworker Q's. It's right here. It is a 335i. What year model is it? 07 335i. He's got a few little thingies done to it. What do you got done to it?
Downpipe, tune, dual cone intake, 7-inch into it.
Nice. So what we are doing today is headlights. He's got these nice new headlights right here. They look nice and fancy. They got these little thingies that look blue. And we're gonna put them in, and we're gonna experience BMW issues. And I got Jordan here, so go subscribe to his channel. It's died. He hasn't posted in like half a year, but go subscribe to him right here. He's gonna help out. He's actually got a video he's working on right now. I'm pretty sure you can all remember his style of working on things. So in order to do these headlights, you gotta remove the bumper. Of course, he's got this side done because we've been talking and not helping at all, but you got that side popped out. You got to remove that side, and you got to swap the Johnnies out. And you got to put the new Johnnies in and make them work.
You gotta get the bolts out from back here.
It's gonna be too.
It's just a lot of unbolting is what it is, but should be an easy job. Should be an easy job.
After struggling for like 15 minutes, we finally got this connector piece out.
Should be an easy job. No more than an hour.
Johnnies. Got that tile boy. Then we got to find a bit to fit this. You know, that's definitely not gonna work for that. We can make it work, but you know, Jordan can whip up some magic sawzall stuff and cut them out. Don't know if Q wants that.
I don't know why if I have so much shade on me, bro. It don't hurt.
Yeah, you know, if you don't have the correct key for a BMW, just use a flathead. It'll come out eventually. So, BMW tips and tricks if you ever want to be successful in life. How it be sometimes. You just gotta admire the thick boy down there at the bottom. 7 inches. That's what you. Oh, BMW things.
I don't even remember. I probably should disconnect battery at this point.
That might be a smart idea, but you don't know. We got this side, this one out. We got to get this other one out, and then he's got the two off the top there. We gotta get the rest. Welcome to BMW. Trying to get the bolts in the back of the headlight like that, and then all we got is this little drill, this little handheld drill. I think he got it though, because he's got that angle. Of course, you know, us NASCAR tech kids know what we're doing. We're working on cars, not at all.
Yeah,
but,
we definitely don't improvise.
Yeah, this is definitely taught in classrooms, not at all. Well,
I forgot. Good old Johnny.
Oh, wow. Wow. Little boy right there. That's the only thing holding this thing in, and hopefully.
Oh, I was about to say hello.
Beautiful, beautiful. Just get you some tools like that, bro. Makes the job a whole lot easier.
It's not long enough.
I got an extension. Now we got the extension on. Now it'll come off. Oh, yes.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It's a sight. Amazing.
I used to start a YouTube channel.
You used to want to until you do, and then you realize you edit for 2.5 hours for 34 views. Go view this video and like and subscribe. After struggling for like 15 minutes, we finally got this connector piece out. At BMW, there was coolant in there or something, and it corroded.
Don't lie to your viewers.
And,
we were here for an hour.
Yeah,
No, I'm kidding.
it was like it was a good little bit, but as you can see, it was kind of corroded in. Took a lot of breaking of plastic and pulling. So
That's what I found.
yeah, he lost that, and that was what our pry tool was. But now that we got everything else out, as you can see, these are the nice new headlights. Like I said, they got the little bluey thingies, these little dotty boys right there. LEDs, as Q says, and we got to put those little pieces up there, connect them to these, and then go in, hopefully, nicely. Just want to mention how cool this looks with no anything. Should put a bash bar on it and drift it. My personal thoughts.
Beautiful.
Clean.
Now it's in place.
Now it's in place. You just gotta picture this. It's upside down on the wrong side versus that. Nice little difference there.
With sand in it.
Yeah, one of these has sand in them. It'd be alright though.
I like it though.
Does look kind of clean, not gonna lie. The little like square at the bottom of the lights there gives it that classic BMW modified headlight look. But they look clean. They look clean. every BMW has those little things because they come like that, kind of like from the factory. Those little halos, but
Yeah.
all the guys put the little like or like the
put up the
octagons or whatever and all that. Yeah, but it looks clean. Nah, it's just reassembly time. You know, got the little ugga dugga. And then you just screw a bunch of screws back in, and she'll go back together. You gotta pull the little wrap stuff off and all that.
I'll just do that first.
Yeah.
I'll just do that first.
Fast forward to that.
Disassemble.
So putting the bumper back on, got both headlights in, all the wrap stuff peeled off of them. Just gotta put the clips and stuff in, and then headlights will be looking minty. Well guys, as you can see, the headlights are in and everything, and I appreciate you watching this video. If you want to see more of this BMW, drop a comment down below and I'll bother you to make more videos with it. And yeah, if you enjoyed installing these headlights and everything, just subscribe, and hope you have a great rest of y'all's day. Peace.